Massachusetts men are in Buffalo accused of a prank phone call that made national headlines. They face federal charges of invading a private conversation with former Bills GM Buddy Nix. News 4's Brittany Smallwood is live in downtown Buffalo with the details. Brittany?
Diana, Joshua Barber and Nicholas Kaiser didn't have much to say in federal court today, but Kaiser's defense attorney just spoke with us. He says when the two made that prank call to the Buffalo Bills former GM Buddy Nix, it was not planned. Both Kaiser and Barber are 20 years old, and they're accused of secretly taping and selling a prank call between Nix and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers GM Mark Dominic. Federal prosecutors say on March 8th, Barber placed a call on his iPhone to connect the GMs. Then he placed a call on speakerphone and recorded it. Authorities say Barber sold it to Deadspin.com for $200 and gave half of it to Kaiser. Kaiser's defense attorney says Barber initially called Buddy Nix because he wanted to get a tryout with the Buffalo Bills. Rod Personia says they're not necessarily remorseful.
I'm not sure that we're convinced that what was done here was wrong. Maybe embarrassment and surprise at the reaction to it. It wasn't an intentional or a premeditated act.
Back live in federal court, back live outside of federal court, and today the judge issued that both of the men could have a not guilty plea and that they could both leave, and they were released on their own recognizance. And if they are found guilty of the federal wiretapping charges, they could face up to 5 years in prison. But Personia said he doesn't believe it'll come to that. Reporting live, Brittany Smallwood, News 4 at noon.